One of the biggest problems lawyers have is finding the right document when they need it. A simple workaround to this problem is to follow three steps. One, have a single location where the entire team saves their documents, otherwise known as a document repository. Two, a file naming convention. Three, a file saving convention. I'm just going to share my screen and we'll go into these in a little bit more detail. Let's take a look at step number one, a single repository. This is essentially one location where your entire team saves all of their documents and everyone in the team has access to their documents. This doesn't necessarily mean that all confidential information everyone has access to. You can still have certain documents which are password protected, but they all need to be in one location or what is called your single source of truth, which is essentially the one place of storage for all documents. Whether it's an Excel document, a Word document, a PowerPoint presentation, a zip folder, a PDF, or even a password protected document, and all of your folders together should all be saved in one single location. And it doesn't matter whether you use SharePoint or Google Workspace or iManage or NetDocuments or any other document management repository system, as long as it's secure and it's one location for everyone, that's all that you need. The second step is a file naming convention. This essentially means that there is a protocol in the manner of naming each and every file that is saved in the single repository. For example, I may decide that I would want the name of the third party, which is the third party who I'm entering into the agreement with, to be disclosed in the name of the document, along with the type of the document, the date of the document, and the version number. So this would equate to Theranos Opinion on Compliance, 23rd March 2023, version 5. Of course, this is just an example, and you can choose whatever file naming convention suits your team. Another example with the PDF. Again, we've got the name of the third party, type of document, date, and version number. And here this is Theranos District Court Order, 5th Jan 2023. Something as simple as setting a file naming protocol will ensure that when people are searching through your database and they can view all of the documents by the file name, they're easily able to identify which is the document they're looking for. The third step to follow is a file saving convention. This essentially means that everybody knows the systematic procedure that is followed for the saving of each type of file. In this example, we have Theranos, which is the client folder, and you have three other matter folders under the Theranos folder, which means my firm is working on three different matters with Theranos, the clients: PE investment, litigation, investigation, which are all your matter folders. We've opened up one particular folder, investigations, and there you can see there are four subfolders. One is for case law research, notes, notices, and responses. Each of these four subfolders are standard subfolders that will exist in every single matter type that relates to investigations. Once this file saving convention is set and it is uniform across your entire legal team, you know that in every matter where there's an investigation, all of the case law in relation to that matter will be saved in the folder labeled case law research. Every notice that is sent under the investigation will be saved under the notices folder, and so on and so forth. This helps anyone to go into any folder and identify the exact location where the specific document would be saved. In conclusion, if you are facing the problem where you are unable to find the right document at the right time when you need it, and often you have members of your legal team spending hours searching through someone else's inbox or their personal laptop to locate a specific document, this solution is for you. Start with having a single repository where everyone saves all of their files on. Two, put in place a file naming convention, which is a uniform protocol for labeling all of your files. Three, have a file saving convention where there is a systematic, uniform order in place for saving all of your files. If you're looking for more help, feel free to book a session with me. My calendar link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.